Finally, we install the protective shell of the instrument panel by aligning the buckle of the shell with the slot and pressing it in. Now we start the ignition and we can see that the current resolution of the original car system is incorrect. We need to set the correct resolution. We long press to enter the Android system, enter settings, factory settings, enter password. Then scroll to the bottom, find the resolution setting, and select the system version corresponding to your car. Now enter the original car system and it will be the correct interface. The current Android system has no sound when playing music. We need to set the AUX sound output. We press the mode button of the mouse. Then it appears this interface. We select the external device, click it and select the AUX front. Now we long press to enter the Android system, and we can go to local music to listen to our favorite songs. Of course, if you are a music enthusiast, you can also choose your favorite tone by adjusting the DSP. In addition to music, you can also watch your favorite movies. You can also drive and use map navigation to travel wherever you want to go. In terms of safe driving, it supports door reminders. Support reversing image. You can make a call to anyone by touching the screen, or hang up using the steering wheel buttons. Okay,